Hi, Gloria Brooks here from 𝐁𝐫𝐴 Worried about poor math grades? I hear you. I really do. Okay, but really, what is that a sign of? It's a sign of your child being disinterested and disengaged, most likely. Okay, let me share a little story with you. So, years ago, back in, let's see, it was 1997. I was at a book rummage sale and I was thumbing through different books, and I came across a Time Life hardback called Mathematics. I opened it up, and for the very first time in my life, I was introduced to nature's numbers and patterns, starting with the golden ratio, which is 1.618. It's an infinite number. It's called irrational, not represented by a fraction. It has been found to be used in building ancient architecture, such as ancient Greek architecture. It's been found in the Parthenon. There are scholars that debate whether it really has been used or not, but deeper research seems to indicate strongly that these numbers are found, and I have a class on it, which you'll be hearing about soon. So I was introduced to these numbers. I had never heard about them in school. This ignited a passion with me after I had graduated from college. This was the summer after I graduated from college. This ignited a passion in me to actually become interested in mathematics, because I saw the connection between math and the real world. And that is the missing link in our math education. So I want to encourage you to scroll down or just click on this post where there's a link to grab my free unit study. I give you an example on how to create a unit study. I think this is a perfect bridge between traditional mainstream education and like radical unschooling. Because for some people, especially if you're just starting off in homeschooling, unschooling can just be too radical. So unit studies are the perfect bridge. You start with your child's learning interest. And in this example, we're talking about math. So introduce them to the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers, which starts off 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Adding each subsequent number, you get the next number. These are found commonly in flower petals, numbers of spiral turns in daisy and sunflower seed heads. So starting with those numbers, you can create a fascinating, creative unit study with your child, and just scour the internet. There's so many resources, free videos. I actually have a whole virtual library that I want to introduce to everyone for free soon. But you can just create a unit study on the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers, and that will ignite a passion in your child. Maybe not every child, but most children get excited about math when they see the real connections math has in the real world. So go ahead and grab my free unit study, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.